Do you ever feel like small talk leads nowhere? Or wonder how some people effortlessly connect with anyone they meet? The secret lies in mastering communication skills, an ability that can open doors in both personal and professional life. Today we'll explore key lessons from How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes, a treasure trove of practical tips that transform your conversations from mundane to magnetic. Written by communication expert Leil Lowndes, How to Talk to Anyone provides 92 little tricks for big success in relationships. From business networking to social gatherings, these techniques help you connect, engage, and leave a lasting impression. In this video, we'll break down some of the book's most powerful strategies to supercharge your communication skills. Key takeaway 1. Mirroring and matching for instant connection. Ever notice how close friends seem to move and talk in similar ways? That's because mirroring and matching creates a subconscious connection. Mirroring involves subtly copying the body language, tone, and pace of speech of the person you're talking to. Why does this work? Because people naturally feel more comfortable with those who are like them. Imagine you're in a job interview. The interviewer leans forward and speaks softly. By slightly leaning forward and matching their tone, you create an atmosphere of trust and rapport. Practical tip. Next time you meet someone, try matching their posture or using similar phrases. Done subtly, it fosters connection without being obvious. Key takeaway 2. Active listening is the key to understanding. Most people hear, but few listen. Active listening means fully engaging in a conversation, summarizing what's been said, asking clarifying questions, and showing genuine interest. For example, if a friend shares a challenge at work, instead of replying with your own story, summarize their concern. So you're feeling overwhelmed by tight deadlines? This shows empathy and builds deeper understanding. Pro tip: nod, maintain eye contact, and use phrases like "I see" or "tell me more" to demonstrate attentiveness. Key takeaway 3. The art of asking powerful questions. Great conversationalists know how to ask open-ended questions that invite rich responses. Instead of asking, "Did you enjoy the event?" Try, "What was the most interesting part of the event for you?" Questions that begin with how, why, or what encourage the other person to share more and keep the conversation flowing. They also show that you care about their thoughts and experiences. Example, imagine meeting someone new at a party. Asking, "What brings you here today?" is far more engaging than a simple, "Where are you from?" Key takeaway 4. Remembering names and faces. Remembering someone's name can feel like magic. People love hearing their names. It makes them feel important. But how do you remember dozens of names at a networking event? One technique is association. When you meet someone named Steve, picture a stove, since it sounds similar, and imagine Steve cooking on it. The sillier the association, the better it sticks. You can also repeat their name several times in conversation to reinforce your memory. Bonus tip: if you forget someone's name, don't panic. Simply say, "Remind me of your name again," with a warm smile. Conclusion: unlocking the power of conversation. Mastering conversation isn't about being the most talkative, it's about being the most engaging. Let's recap. Use mirroring to build rapport instantly. Practice active listening to deepen your connections. Ask open-ended questions to fuel meaningful conversations. Remember names to leave a lasting impression. Put these skills into action today and watch your relationships transform. If you want to dive deeper, grab a copy of How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. You won't regret it. Let us know in the comments. Which of these techniques will you try first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing book summaries.